Sur le plan social,
The social problems in Haiti are huge. 50% of the population is illiterate. Since the workforce is not skilled, the only way they can be employed is in menial jobs like farm workers.
donc ça sous-entend aussi que
The health infrastructure in the country is non-existent.
et si la
There's
main-d'œuvre
just
n'est pas
one
formée,
doctor for about 1,000 to 1,300 people.
produire valablement.
There is no food in the country, so therefore there's malnutrition in the population, especially among children.
C'est la raison pour laquelle que la main-d'œuvre
Haiti has been an agricultural nation for many, many years, and it's still the main economic activity in the country.
sur le plan social
Today, however, the situation is bad. Haiti produces just 51% of its own food. If you don't produce food, you cannot buy medicine for your children. You cannot have access to education. You cannot go to a hospital. So this is like a vicious cycle that the country is locked into.
à 1300 personnes.
80% of the population of Haiti are under the poverty line as defined by the World Bank. You've got serious problems around governance issues at the political level. You've got still our problems with violence, and particularly in cities like Port-au-Prince. And you've got a lot of children that are malnourished, many kids that are not in school.
Bon, il est vrai que tous les
As the
jours,
liaison person between the partners in the field and Canadian Feed the Children in Toronto, my role will be to find the partners and to evaluate the work that has been done and see where it can go in the future.
on est appelé à
So this role is going to be very
rencontrer les
important.
partenaires. Mais il existe d'autres
The first of the three new NGOs that we'll be working with directly is Organisation de la Mission Évangélique de Salem, or OMES. It's a small local NGO, and it does a lot in terms of healthcare in general. They do vaccinations, they teach women how to manage their families, and much more. I bring you greetings from Canadian Feed the Children. I hope that this partnership will help you to resolve the healthcare problems of this community. I'm here to see where you are and then where we can go together.
We are facing a lot of problems related to the need to serve this population. We have schools that cannot function because of lack of funds. We have an orphanage in Grecier, which is working well, but we still have a lot of problems. This orphanage houses 150 children. It has a school. We also have other orphanages. The children can come at any time in whatever circumstance. We provide them with medical care, checkups, or whatever is needed. We don't charge anything.
Le taux de mortalité infantile en Haïti est
The life of a child in Haiti is really hard. The infant mortality rate is very high.
ayant 0
119 children die out of every 1,000 that are born.
Thank you, Mr. Gachet, for all your efforts to bring us help, and we hope that the partnership with Canadian Feed the Children will help us to solve our problems. The partnership with Canadian Feed the Children is very important. We want to share our experiences on what we are developing, and through Canadian Feed the Children, we can build a stronger relationship between Haiti and Canada.
beaucoup d'acteurs.
What's important about Canadian Feed the Children is the support that they give to the partners without asking for anything back. And all the support, anything they do, goes directly to the improvement of the social and economic conditions of all the communities.
De faire quelque chose, d'apporter leur contribution.
Canadian Feed the Children is about human relations between the partners in the field and the people in Canada. The ultimate goal is to have visible results in the communities. When we see that our money is being invested and we can see the results through the communities, our goal is being achieved. Despite all the political and the socio-economic problems, Haitians have this joie de vivre. They smile, they sing, they dance, and they always look forward to the day when all these problems are going to be gone, and they are going to have a brighter future.